Welcome to the Bagamati Spatial Data Center, or BSDC, a comprehensive geospatial data platform designed to serve the data needs of Bagamati Province, Nepal. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the BSDC website and show you how to access, explore, and utilize its powerful features. When you first visit the BSDC website, you'll land on the homepage. Here, you'll see the BSDC branding along with the official Nepal government and Bagamati province emblems, establishing the platform's credibility. At the very top is the navigation bar, where you can view the interactive map, explore datasets, learn more about BSDC and MOICLA under About Us, register or log into your user account, switch between English and Nepali languages. The Hero section welcomes you with a brief introduction to BSDC's mission. You'll also find a search box to quickly locate datasets by typing keywords. Scroll down to discover datasets organized into categories like cadastral, land use, hydro, transportation, and environment and natural resources. Each category displays the number of available datasets. Clicking a category filters the catalog instantly. The Featured Datasets section highlights popular and recently updated datasets. Each card shows a preview image, title, description, key metadata, access indicators, and quick action buttons for previewing or downloading data. You can browse these using a responsive carousel. BSDC offers a suite of features: an interactive map viewer for exploring and analyzing spatial data, well-organized, high-quality datasets ready for download, data insights and visualizations, including charts and summary stats, secure, role-based access for different user types. At the bottom of the homepage, you'll find an embedded Google map showing the location of the Ministry of Industry, Commerce, Land and Administration, MOICLA, office in Hedada, Makwinpur, Nepal. The footer provides quick access to resources, links to related government portals, and BSDC's official contact details. To search for datasets, navigate to the Datasets section from the main menu. Use the search bar at the top, enter keywords like agriculture, roads, or soil, and press enter. For more accurate results, use specific terms or quotation marks for exact matches. You can also filter datasets by category using the drop-down menu near the search bar. The catalog updates dynamically to reflect your selections. Each dataset card in the grid view shows a thumbnail, title, summary, format, size, and access level, with action buttons for download, view, and map preview. To preview dataset information, click the View Details button on any dataset card. You'll see complete metadata, technical specifications, licensing information, and, if applicable, pricing. For a spatial preview, click the Map button to open the interactive map viewer centered on the dataset's location. BSDC's interactive map interface lets you visualize and analyze spatial data. Use basic controls to pan, zoom, and explore the map. Touch gestures are supported on mobile devices. The map shows coordinate displays, a scale bar, and an overview map for context. Datasets are presented as cards in the Layer section. You can search or filter layers by category and view administrative boundaries for the province, districts, and municipalities. Manage map layers by toggling visibility, adjusting opacity, and reordering layers. You can switch between base maps like OpenStreetMap and satellite imagery. Click on Layers to view legends and metadata, or use the map tools to export the current map image for reports or presentations. To access advanced features, register for a BSDC account. Click Register or sign up and follow the steps. Enter your professional and basic information, upload scanned copies of your citizenship documents, provide contact and address details, if applicable, enter your organization's information. Make sure your password meets the security requirements. After submitting the form, check your email for a verification link to activate your account. To log in, enter your registered email and password. If you forget your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Email verification is essential for account security. Follow the instructions in your inbox to complete the process. If you need help, visit the Footer section for user manuals, quick links, and official contact details. BSDC is committed to providing reliable, accessible, and secure geospatial data for Bagamati Province. Thank you for using the Bagamati Spatial Data Center. Explore, analyze, and empower your work with trusted spatial data today.